Hi! In front of me is Oppo A77 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, open Messages app and click on one of your chats. Now select this plus icon at the bottom left corner and click on Files category. Now you can select your files from here. Tap on those three lines at the top left corner or click on Audio and Videos filters at the top. Now just hold your file that you wish to add, in my case this one. When you finished, just click on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!